In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode. Begin by launching settings and tapping on display. Then scroll down and click on easy mode. Now to activate it, click on grey switcher next to it and wait. As you can see, after that, simple mode is on. If you wish to switch it off, go back to the same settings and tap on no blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!